Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel today. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you guys stopping by. If you're new, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button, as your support would be greatly appreciated. But now let's jump right in today's content. A quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see the market cap is currently sitting at $980 billion and the BTC dominance is currently sitting at 38%. Looking at the overall markets, you guys can see over the last 24 hours, we are seeing a mild red across the board, but over the last 1 hour, we're seeing some mild green. Nothing too crazy has been going on over the past few days, so that's something to keep in mind. But today, guys, I want to look further into one project that we absolutely love on our channel that has been really creating a lot of hype and momentum within the space. And a lot of people are saying that this project could start the next bull run, the next altcoin season. And that project is none other than Terra Luna Classic. All right, so Luna Classic holders, if we are looking at the price right now, it is currently trading at 0.00029 cents. Up 2.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 3.1% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. One thing to point out for you guys right now is that it is ranked at the top 33 spot. So that's something definitely nice to see. Market cap is currently sitting at $2 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $235.9 million. So right off the bat, one thing that I can point out for you guys is that the overall 24-hour trading volume has decreased quite a bit over the past few days. So that's something to keep in mind right now. But with that being said, I want to have you guys focus on one thing. Majority of the markets, as you guys saw earlier, are in red. We're seeing quite a bit of red across the board, just mild red, but we are seeing Terra Luna Classic up and outperforming the overall market. So that's something definitely nice to point out as well. And we will jump into exactly why that is happening, and I will share where I could personally see the price of Terra Luna Classic go in the immediate short term. So let's not forget that over the past 14 days, we're still up 14.5%. So we need to keep that factor in mind. But now let's jump into the news. I want to share something with you guys, and that's this. This was posted on Twitter by this user, Crypto King NFT. So shout out to him. He mentions CZ Binance is calling out the other exchanges to burn LUNC in his latest AMA. CZ and Binance have the Luna communities back. Who will be the next support our community? Let's do this. And this is the hashtag LUNC army, hashtag LUNC burn, which has been trending quite a bit on Twitter these days. That really goes to show one thing. That goes to show how powerful this entire community really is, and really brings back the Shiba Inu beginnings of last year, before that massive explosion that we did see happen within its price. But now one thing to note right now is CZ Binance is the owner and the founder of one of the biggest exchange, if not arguably the biggest exchange, which is Binance. And if he is backing, Luna Classic, imagine how much hype this is going to bring. And that's exactly what we're seeing happen right now. They announced that major burn mechanism that they launched, and I believe the first day they burned about like $1.5 million US worth of LUNC. So that's absolutely insane. That's something really to point out for you guys. And I believe more and more exchanges are going to take part of this, because number one, a lot of exchanges want to take this pie. What I mean by pie is they want to have users coming onto their exchanges and trading on there rather than their competitors, because it gives them some sort of profit rather than the other exchanges, and obviously shows that more traders like their exchanges as well. It's like a business at the end of the day. And I've been hearing a lot of rumors. Once again, Coinbase is going to list LUNC now. A lot of those talks are happening once again, and there's a lot of different opinions. A lot of people are saying this is absolutely insane. That is definitely not a possibility. We're definitely not going to see that. But again, there's a lot of other people that are also saying, that is going to happen. We are going to see Luna Classic really get listed back on Coinbase. And obviously the Luna army is saying that. And is that a possibility? In my opinion, definitely is a possibility. Because like I mentioned, exchanges want to have that share of pie when there is a lot of volume. And Luna Classic is definitely one of the projects that will bring that as of now, because you guys know how much hype there really is building up around there. So looking at the price right now, you guys can see we are seeing a lot of consolidation happen over the past few days. We did see this major, bounce towards the downside, but we managed to pick up right away, and we're still hanging around this level of zone. But one thing to point out for you guys is that we're still below this level of resistance at that 0.00037 cents mark. You guys can see we try to wick above this mark, this level of resistance, 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. And one thing to point out for you guys is that all 3 different times we are seeing a rejection, and we have seen the price of LUNC go back to below this resistance mark. But I still am very impressed that we're still managing to stay below this resistance line and have not seen more downwards momentum. And I could possibly see this being a bullish flag and really attempting to break out of here once again, start heading back to these highs that we saw just on September 8th. And I do believe this time around, when we do break out of this level of resistance, next stop is going to be that zone which we just saw on September 8th. And still, as of now, we are still away about 100% from those price points. And with the hype that we're seeing happen with overall this Luna community absolutely going crazy, really showing their project on Twitter, really goes to show that how strong this community really is. And I am a strong believer that this project is going to do absolutely insane numbers very, very soon. And if you are coming to me and saying, "Oh, Crypto ZX, what are you talking about? That's not a possibility, blah blah blah," come on guys, let's look at it from this point of view. Let's say you are picking up some LUNC just on August 26th. You're already up 100% just from that, even after having a correction. And now you may be saying 100% is absolutely nothing. In a bear market, it definitely is. In a bear market, 100% gain is huge. And I believe Luna is going to run during this bear cycle as well. And I have seen some analysts call that Terra Luna could really kickstart that next altcoin rally. Might not be the beginning of the bull run, because right now there's a lot of uncertainty within the markets. Obviously over the traditional market really saw a major bloodbath just on Friday, huge bloodbath across the board. And I've been saying this for quite some time. And right now BTC is still hovering at some critical price levels, because we have still not managed to break above this major level of resistance at 22k mark. Critical price levels it's staying at. And if we break below this 78.6 zone, I could see BTC go down to 15k, which is going to have a massive impact on the cryptocurrency market. So we do need to keep that factor in mind right now. But what I would definitely like for BTC to do is get above this level of resistance, and things will start looking very, very nice then. But as of now, that is something I want to keep in mind. But as far as Luna is concerned, as long as BTC does not have a shake off, I do expect that Luna Classic is going to start heading back towards the upside. And if more and more exchanges start announcing this burn and supporting it, sky's the limit. But let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Luna go at the end of this month. Me personally, I do believe we could possibly see Luna go above this level that we saw, and possibly even break 1-0 very, very soon, because things are definitely heating up and charts are speaking everything. But that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below if you would want me to continuously give you guys updates on Luna Classic. I would love to know your thoughts down below. That is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.